All staff and students in Fusion have their own My Files area. And if you go in there, you'll notice that you also have a recycle bin. The recycle bin contains all the files that you own that you've deleted. It is emptied periodically, so it won't contain all the files you've ever deleted, but it will contain files that you delete from your own personal My Files area, or other things that you own like homework. If you delete files from a class or a learning space, these spaces are owned by the school admin, so those files will be in the school admin's recycle bin. To restore a file to its original location, simply right-click on it and choose Restore. If there is a file of the same name in the destination that you're sending the file to, you have the option to overwrite that file, or you can simply cancel the restore. So I'm going to go ahead and restore this file, and you can see that it's been successfully restored to its original location. So that's how to use the recycle bin on Fusion.